Hello viewers, welcome to Varun Krishna Job Channel. Today we are going to see some interesting fresher job opportunity in a huge MNC. Let's see everything in detail in this video, step by step. Let me show you everything in detail in this video, how to apply, where is the location. So everything in this video I'm going to show you. Yes, before that, as usual, I'm just keep saying the same thing only. So Varun Krishna Job Channel always will provide you the genuine tech job updates, which is applicable for both freshers and experienced candidates. Okay, one who looking for the job fresh, as well as already one who is working, those who are looking for the new change from one organization to another organization. So for them also, which is very suitable, whatever the job I'm just posted here, right, which is applicable for both of them. So in case if you have a trust over me, then please do not forget to subscribe my channel to get the new job notification. Also, if you are feel the job is very relevant for you, in that case please do apply after checking all the criteria. Okay, then you can do apply without wasting your time immediately. Okay, so in case if you feel the job as I posted which is not suitable for you, in that case you can share the same to your nearby job seekers or freshers. So who are looking for the jobs, your known circle, so please convey them. Okay, at least after watching this video they would get benefited, I hope, right? Yes, this is my humble request to everyone. So if you feel which is very fine for me, whatever the job I just posted here, then in that case do not, again I'm saying, do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Yes viewer, let's see the job, what is the company name, what is the qualification, everything in detail in this video. Let's see the video right away. This is our disclaimer card. I'm just keep saying the same thing in each video. I'm not the hiring person. I'm just sharing the job information to the job seekers. In case if anyone of the employer or anyone asks you to pay the money to get a job, please do not pay. It might be the fake one for sure. Also, I'm not the responsible for this. Okay, let's dive into this video. Yes, viewers, the company name is called Oracle. So you know very well, right? I hope every engineering graduates, you just came across the company name, right? Oracle. So it's Oracle hiring the freshers software consultant developer. So let me show you everything. Yes, the position name is called Fresher Software Consulting Developer. It's a very huge announcement from the Oracle company, right? So in case if you get the chance, please do not miss this opportunity. Why? Because Oracle having lot of products. So we can say they don't have any that, I mean, which means they have all the sufficient products. So when who start the organization, whether it's ERP or whatever the products we can call it, they have already implemented many products. So it's a huge opportunity in case if you are getting the chance to work with this Oracle company. Yes, viewers, I'm just showing the designation and qualification in the experience. Designation is simply the consulting software developer. This is the role name you are going to be allocated for this role only. In case if you are get hired for this company, in this company. Yes, qualification bachelor's as well as the master's degree. They are just looking for experience freshers are 0 to 2 years of the experience. Okay, so this is the qualification detail. I just mentioned everything here. Yes, the skill set, speaking about the skill set, one who having good passion about writing the queries or fetching the data or writing the stored procedure or function to write the complex queries. In that case, whether it is SQL, SQL or any of the structured query language, then please do apply. You do not, no need to check for anything here in this company. It's a very genuine, it's a very vast company. It's a very huge MNC. You know very well, right? It's engineering students. I hope you know very well about this company. Yes, additionally, they are just looking for sound knowledge in Oracle Apex. Oracle Apex is a one kind of product. They are just owned it by the Oracle. Having good knowledge in the Oracle Apex, then please do apply. Again, it's a great opportunity for you guys. Yes, the location is Bangalore, Karnataka. So which is located obviously in India. Yes, let me show you where you have to apply. Let me tell you the link and everything. What is the qualification, how to apply, what are the any other criteria in case if you require, please let me show you everything in this video. Yes, I just given the link into my description box. You just click that link. Obviously, it will just navigate to their official careers page. Then you can apply rest of the things. Yes, let me show you everything. Yes, viewers, this is the link. In case if you are clicked that whatever that just given in the description box, in case if you click that link, obviously you are just navigated to this official Oracle Cloud careers page. So this is the position they are just declared consulting software developer and Bangalore, Karnataka. So job category which is coming under the consulting, identification number they just given here. Posting date is not just forget about the posting date. They are just in case if you go and search in their careers page, the job is still available. You can apply immediately. You do not bother about the posting date. Okay, the job type is a full-time employment. So regular employee. Years of experience they are just looking for 0 to 2 plus 0, from 0 to 2 plus years of experience they are just looking for. Yes, so obviously they are just expecting the English language, obviously. So this is the required skill they are just looking from you. Oracle Apex and PL/SQL. So either SQL, structured query language, and any one of the web application development. So these are the expectation. The required skill they are just looking from you. Okay. So in case of you having any one of the skill set, kindly do apply. I hope you can able to crack it in this company. Yes. If you want to apply this position, yes, simply do apply. See, the position is available. That's why I can able to apply here. Okay. Otherwise, they won't allow me to apply this position. You have to enter your email ID or phone number. Please do apply for further steps. In case if you need anything, if you have any doubt, please reach out to me. I'm ready to give a reply post 8 p.m. in every day. Okay. Yes, I hope you can able to get it clearly. In case you have any suggestion or any concerns, if you want to share with me, please make a call to me. Call in the sense, or else you can do comment. I'm ready to give a reply. Yes, viewers, that's it. Let me connect with you on more new job notification. Yes, let's see. Yes, viewers, thank you so much by watching this video. I hope it would be very useful for you. Again, I'm just keep saying the same thing. Varun Krishna Job Channel always will provide you the job information. Everything is a very genuine information only. I'm just collecting those information from different sources. I'm just posting you as a video. I can able to share the same through LinkedIn or else any other mode like WhatsApp. Everything can able to do. But in case if I post a video, it could be reach some wider audience. That's why I just posted a video. In case if anyone of you want to apply, not today, by some other day or so some past days also, they can go and apply. They can able to watch the video, they can able to apply. That's why I just posted as a video. If I just put it as a post in LinkedIn or any other medium, so it's very difficult to get it there, right? That's why I just converted to a video. I'm just posting all the information as a video here. That's the reason behind. So again, I'm saying, so in case if you feel, if you're having the trust over me, then do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. More than that, please convey the right information to the right person, which means you can share the same to all the job seekers who are looking for the fresh job as well as the experienced job. Please share to them. So then only I would get successful by posting this video, right? Otherwise, it's a kind of satisfaction. Okay, I'm just getting by posting this video. Yes, viewers, I'm just posting one more new job notification in my upcoming video. Until then, signing off. Do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to click the bell icon to get the new job notification. Thank you, viewers.